In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lyft Delivery. To get started, open the Lyft app on your iPhone or Android device and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home screen, take a moment to look for a delivery-related option. Depending on your version of the app and your location, this may be labeled delivery, courier, or something similar. If you don't see that option, it usually means the service isn't currently available in your area. So that's a helpful thing to check first before going any further. If the option is available, go ahead and select it. Next, you'll need to enter the pickup and drop-off locations for your package. Start with the pickup address, which is the place where the driver will collect the item. Then enter the delivery address, which is where the package should be dropped off. Before moving on, carefully review both addresses to make sure they're accurate. Even a small mistake here can delay the delivery or send the driver to the wrong place. After that, Lyft may ask for recipient information. If prompted, enter the recipient's name, phone number, and any delivery instructions you want to include. Delivery instructions are optional, but they can be very useful if there's anything the driver should know, like where to meet someone or how to access the drop-off location. This information helps the driver coordinate the delivery more smoothly. Once that's done, review the delivery details, check the estimated cost, the expected pickup time, and the payment method that will be used. This is also the point where you should add any special instructions if needed. It's always a good idea to pause here and make sure everything looks right before you submit the request. When you're ready, tap the button to request the delivery. It may say request delivery, confirm, or something similar. After you place the request, prepare your package before the driver arrives. Make sure it's sealed and labeled properly, and confirm that the contents follow Lyft's delivery policies. That's important because prohibited items should never be included. When the driver gets there, use the app to confirm their identity based on the information shown on your screen. Once you've verified that, hand over the package. From there, you can track the delivery directly in the Lyft app in real time and monitor its progress until it reaches the destination. And that's how to use Lyft Delivery.